Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can remove green screen in Capcut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Capcut app on your PC or laptop. Simply tap on the New Project button at the top and add any target media to the project. Then add media to the timeline section by clicking on Add icon. Now place the green screen media on top of the base layer. After that, go to the cutout section on the top right side of your screen and check mark chroma key. Then pick the color dropper and select the green screen portion of your media. Simply change the slider position in order to tweak the strength of chroma key. And that's how you can remove green screen in Capcut. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.